In this video, I'm going to show you how to download music as MP3 from YouTube. Go to your browser and browse youtube.com. On upper right corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on YouTube Studio. In left menu pane, click on Audio Library. Here in Audio Library, you will find lot of audio tracks. If you wish, you can play an audio track from here directly, or you can download to your computer. To download, click on the audio track and you will find a download button on the track. Click on it and the MP3 audio has been downloaded. Click on show in folder. Now I am going to play the MP3 music. Right click on it and click on play with media player. This is the easiest way to download MP3 music from YouTube library. That's it.